so he knows this business inside and out.
Thank you. No, seriously, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a subscriber on this channel. And if you're not, please like and subscribe. Those two words, thank you. People don't say that enough. We don't say it enough to our sellers. We don't say that enough to our buyers or to our customers. I'm telling you what, if you want repeat business, no matter what market you're in, I'm in real estate, I'm in wholesale real estate, I like to send a thank you card to my investors that send me deals. I send them a thank you card, usually with a gift card or some movie passes or something like that. I want them to know that I'm very grateful for their business. Say thank you. The more you say thank you, the more opportunities come back. It's the law of reciprocity. You know, whenever you go to buy a car and the slimy, cheesy car sales guy comes down and hands you a bottle of water, well, there's something called reciprocity. You almost want to give in to something. Now, this is not being slimy. This is being authentic. Be a real authentic person. Say thank you. Say thank you to your buyers. Say thank you to your sellers. Send them a thank you card. And ask for referral business. Ask for repeat business. This is an easy step to get more deals. Say thank you. Thanks for watching this. Appreciate it.